Great viewers, this is YangaLife channel and you are highly welcome to this channel. Today we want to pay a visit to the area of road construction at Okpuno. Okpuno is a boundary town with Awka town. Also, Okpuno is part of Awka metropolis. So we are going to visit Okpuno to see how far the road construction has gone. Last time we visited here is about a month ago, just call it 3 weeks to 4 weeks ago. That's when we visited there last, and we thought it wise to visit again to know how work is going on. So you are rest assured that we are going to be at Okpuno so we can have first class information of what is going on. So but right now, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please click on the subscription button, notification button, and let's have your view about this video, and don't forget to share this video. Yes, now we are at Aroma Junction. You can see how beautiful the area is. That's what we expect in other places, all these green areas with flowers and the rest. Let this type of landscaping be replicated other places. That's what viewers usually talk about, and we are bringing it to limelight what the city is expected to be. So this is the Aroma Junction. By the right, we are going down to the new construction site of the government house. That is the location. Usually we will show you the direction of where we are going so that you'll be rest assured of our movement. Okay. Now we are moving down to Unizik Temporary Site Junction. From that temporary site junction is where we are going to commence our actual movement into Okpuno area. Then when we enter the road that leads to Okpuno, upon reaching Okpuno towards that Y junction, we are going to have a turn to Regina Cheli side. That's the side that came out at the expressway. So from that place, we are going to have a turn. We'll move down again and have a reverse view to Unizik temporary site so that we can cover the area as expected. So that is how we are going to move. But now we are along Enugu Onitsha expressway within Awka, capital city of Nigeria. You can see from here by the right is the Regina Cheli Junction moving towards Y Junction, but we are going to use the temporary side junction and proceed to Okpuno. That is what we are going to do. And shortly we are going to be at the temporary side junction, to be precise. So right now we are at Unizik temporary side junction, and we are now on the road that leads to Okpuno. You can see this is Obiokoli Street. The street is under construction. initially is a single lane road, but now the government of Charles Soludo has decided to dualize the road, which is a welcome development. If you ask me, it is a very big welcome development. But in our usual observation about city roads, we have to make one or two observations about this road. Yes, no doubt this road is going to ease up traffic in this area and also, beautify this place and make it to be very spacious. Yes, another good thing is that there will be free flow of vehicular movement along this area. Is a known fact when this road is being put in use after construction. But however, some few things are not quite the way it is expected. Talking about the drainage system, it's as if the gutters are not wide enough. Has been commented by some few public members. Also, the drainage system, that is the gutters, are not covered. In our usual observation about city roads, the gutters are supposed to be covered and a walkway provided. And this area deserves a well, constructed walkway, if you ask me. That is the standard of any city road. So, but however, we believe that this construction company can do a good job that will last. It's all about quality road. It's all about quality road. Let them construct a good road that will last. Of course, we know how good roads are being constructed. Usually, they apply the laterite after laterite, stone base, first coating of asphalt, second coating at least. Some of this road, if not well done, well prepared, all these big trucks, whenever they run on it, it depreciates the road. And that is a known fact. That's why some of these expressway, highways that carry heavy-duty vehicles are done to be strong. So all these interland roads, there shouldn't be a different one, if you ask me, because all those heavy trucks, they usually come inside the interland road, they use them. So if the road is not well done, it's going to experience dilapidation not quite long from now. That is the point that I am making. However, you can see how the work is going on. Probably the rain is affecting them. But we see other construction companies, they work during rainy season. In fact, the rainy season will even provide a better opportunity for them to do a good job. So rainy season can never be an excuse for any work about road construction. So you can see how far they have done this area. We are going to move down to have a complete view of the other side. From there, we approach Regina Cheli's side. Let's see what is happening. Then some few things I will tell you about this when we get down to market area. That's Node Market. When this place is done, movement is going to change. It's not going to be like before. So there are some few things that are going to change. The movement on a dualized road is not going to be like the movement on a single carriage road. So now this is the Nodu market area. It's just a street market, but this street market is not proper. There should be a place for them, just somewhere, if possible, to create a place that people can just go in and buy. But now they are just standing along the streets, disrupting the movement of vehicles. It's not supposed to be, you know. So here now. This is the Nodu road that's coming from the right side there. We've just passed it. So if you are coming out here, it's going to be dualized. This place, the dualization is going to extend towards here. I don't know if it's going down Isu Bridge, but here I am sure. And there will be a roundabout here that if you are coming out from that Nodu road, you come down here. You are not going to move straight. Again, if you are going to Thameside, you come down here, somewhere here, and turn. Use the roundabout, turn, and you face towards Unizik Thameside. That is how it's going to function. But now we are moving down towards Regina Shelley side. Let's view that place, know how far work has been done on that area. I'm sure that place is supposed to, proceed to have gone far more than this, because earlier they started that one before this one we just used now. So let's go there and see what is going on. This is Nodu Market, the market area. Here is going to be dualized. The dualization is going to come down this place and down to that place I showed you, that there will be a roundabout. That is how it's going to be done. So let's keep moving. Thank you. Yes, this is Y Junction, and we are going to take left. Right, we are going back to Unizik temporary site, but that is not our way of movement. We are going to move left, follow the road that leads to Regina Shelley Junction by express. That's where we are going to come out now from. But however, this place has been smoothened with laterite. Yes, laterite is the first, filling before stone base and every other thing. So I don't know how they want to do it. So, but that is the phase that we just see now. Then I observe one thing. Some of these shanties, kiosk and containers that was removed. Then we hope that people are not waiting for the road to be constructed, and they will start bringing those things back. However, it is a known fact that people from this side of the world, that is Igbos, that they are known for business. So any little opportunity is business. But let there be guidance, let the environment or the people in government, guide them. the Ministry of Environment and other, authorities should guide them on these business establishments. That shanties and kiosks and all these, they are not allowed to be littering the environment. So let there be a guide to people's business, so these things will not resurface again. Even though some places are still, witnessing these shanties and the rest, but it is a gradual thing. It's going to be a gradual, like we are seeing. It's not something that will be done once. So from here now, we can see the road is, the face of the road is coming out gradually. The face is coming out. Then this road ought to have, have a walkway. You can see people walking together with vehicles that are moving on the street. That is not the standard. This is a city road. It's not that we are condemning the road in total, but we are saying what ought to be done to make it a city road. Now we just observe something that is very good. What we observed here is that all those kekes, all those tricycles that usually litter here, they are no longer here again. But I will show you where they are now, in a well-arranged, organized place. Can you believe that this place can never be like this? That vehicles can find their way to move smoothly here. Before now, this place, keke litter everywhere. You cannot even pass, go inside or move out into the expressway peacefully. This is where the kekes are now. You can see where they are coming out. You can see them. Well organized place. I believe that this place is going to be a permanent place for them. Honestly speaking, let it be a permanent place. Let it not be just for the construction to be completed and they will resurface back again on the road. Then here now, someone once said that here is supposed to have a bridge. There should be a bridge from here to the other side so that vehicle can just cross over and enter the other side of Awka, which is proper. Probably in future it's going to be done. Everything is not going to be done by one administration. So this is a wonderful development that the tricycle riders, they have been pushed into that place. Let them remain there and operate their business peacefully. Then if you have not subscribed to this channel, please click on the subscription button, notification button. Let's have your view about this video and don't forget to share it. Share it for others to watch with you, and thank you as you do that. Now we are having a reverse view of this road that leads to Y Junction from Regina Sherry Junction. So you can see now, you can see people placing those planks on top of the drainage. They place planks on top of drainage so that people can walk over into their shops. That's why we are saying that drainage are supposed to be covered. Since the road is within a city, there should be a covered drainage and there should be a walkway. It makes the city neat and nice, instead of all these people placing plank on top of drainage system for them to walk over. Well, I know that a lot of viewers here, understand what I'm saying and they will buy my idea. And that has been our usual discussion, that roads within a city is supposed to be covered and the drainage system is supposed to be covered, and there should be a walkway so that people can walk peacefully without having to be looking back on the road to know if vehicle is coming for them. You can see the drainages are open. In a heavy downpour, people are at risk, vehicles are at risk. May not know when the vehicle is close to the gutter or whatever, even when there is road cape. So this is Y Junction. We are back at the Y Junction, and we are going to complete our movement down to Unizik Thames site using Y Junction to have a complete view of this road. So I don't know. There are lots of work to be done. You can see shanties still there, but however, it's a gradual thing. It's a gradual thing that is going to be achieved. So far, we keep the eyes on the ball, keep the eyes on the target. The city will eventually get there. So all it takes is for the chief executive officer of the state, in the name of the governor, is just to issue instructions to the commissioners, and the commissioners will take, actions. The actions will trigger down to the other people that will carry out some things that are needed. I think that is all. It's mostly about being focused, and this is what we want. When we are focused and decide that this is what we want, other avenues to arrive there, to reach there, will come out. If you are determined to have a clean environment, it is achievable. It is very, very much achievable. There is no big deal about that. So that is the reverse view to Unizik Temporary Site Junction. That is Obiokoli Street. And like we said earlier, this place is going to be dualized. Dualization is for this place. It is going to move down to Isu side, hopefully. Well, you have all seen what is going on. That's the Abakaleke Street by Obiokoli. So we are going straight to Unizik Temporary Site Junction. That's the level of work done here. So now, thank you for watching. As you complete the remaining part of this video, bye for now.